Hi guys, in this video we talk about Rog Phone 8 Pro versus Honor Magic 6. The Asus Rog Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,299. The Honor Magic 6 launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The body dimensions: Rog Phone 8 Pro height 6.45 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Honor Magic 6 height 6.37 inches, weight 2.97 inches, thickness 8.1 mm. The weight Honor Magic 6 come with 199 gram. Rog Phone 8 Pro 225 gram. Build: the both mobile front and back glass and aluminium frame. Dual SIM and nano SIM card support in both mobiles. The display type: Rog Phone 8 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. Honor Magic 6 LTPO OLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same, 6.78 inches in both. The resolution: Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 1080p screen resolution and the Honor Magic 6 come with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density: Honor Magic 6 453 and the Rog Phone 8 Pro 388 PPI density. Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 165Hz refresh rate. Honor Magic 6 come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: Rog Phone 8 Pro 88.2% and the Honor Magic 6 91.2%. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 production and the Honor Magic 6 come with Jorhino Glass production. The Honor Magic 6 come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 2500 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. Rog Phone 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 30 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it record 8K 30fps video. The Honor Magic 6 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it record 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera: Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 32 megapixel and 1080p screen video record with front camera, and the Honor Magic 6 come with 50 megapixel and 4K 30fps video record with front camera. The platform: Rog Phone 8 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the Honor Magic 6 come with octa-core Cortex X4. And the chipset: the both mobile come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3nm 4nm processor, and the GPU: the both mobile come with Adreno 750. The Honor Magic 6 come with Android 14, Magic OS 8 operating system, and the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with Android 14 with Rog UI. Let's go to the memory. Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 16GB and 24GB of RAM. Honor Magic 6 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. Honor Magic 6 come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's talk about battery backup. The Honor Magic 6 come with 5450 mAh battery. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 5500 mAh battery. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 65 watt fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 come with 66 watt fast charging. The Honor Magic 6 come with 50 watt wireless charging and the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 15 watt wireless charging. It's come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, but Rog Phone 8 Pro have gaming triggers. The result of these devices: Rog Phone 8 Pro go 20 points and the Honor Magic 6 go 24 points.